Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the run capacitor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new run capacitor. This run capacitor is mounted on the compressor's relay and assists in running the compressor. If your compressor won't run, check the run capacitor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to take out all the screws. And now we can remove the panel. Now I'm going to remove this retainer clip using needle nose pliers. And grab it at the bottom and push it in and out down to release it from the opening. Now we can remove it from the top. Put it down, and now we're gonna take out the old capacitor. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver and I'm prying it off. There you go. This is the old run capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Here we got a new capacitor and we're going to install it onto the relay. I'm going to place the terminals into the openings, and at the same time we are sliding that opening on this post. Press it in firmly. I'm going to install the top hook into this opening on the top, and the bottom hook will go into this opening at the bottom. I'm going to hook it up here. And we're going to push it in. And now I'm going to install the access panel back. Slide it at the top. And then I'm going to match the holes. And I'm going to put the screws in. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.